I turned a dull render into an engaging animation with stunning visuals and immersive sound effects. Do you ever wish you could turn your architectural sketches, ideas, or renders into 3D models, or even short videos, in just a few minutes? If that sounds useful to you, this video is for you. Can artificial intelligence actually help architects and 3D modelers? In this video, I'm testing Meshy 6, not for characters, not for games, but specifically for architecture, interior design, furniture modeling, and urban scale design workflows. We'll look at how AI can help us understand complex 3D forms faster, speed up early design and concept stages, generate architectural and interior assets, and even support urban design and city-scale visualization. This is not about replacing architects or designers. This is about working faster, smarter, and more efficiently. Let's get into it. Meshy is an AI-powered 3D modeling tool that allows architects and designers to turn text prompts and reference images into 3D models. You can describe an architectural element in words or upload an image, and Meshy automatically generates the 3D geometry for you. With the release of Meshy 6, the focus has clearly shifted toward professional architectural and design workflows rather than characters or game assets. This version introduces major upgrades such as enhanced hard surface modeling for architectural forms and furniture, cleaner, more refined geometry suitable for design studies and visualization, low poly optimization, which is essential for large architectural scenes and urban scale projects. These improvements are especially valuable for architects, interior designers, furniture designers, urban designers, and anyone working with complex architectural models and heavy 3D environments. Now let me show you why these AI improvements actually matter in real architect. In architecture, we constantly work with volumes, massing, and spatial relationships. Before details and drawings, everything starts with form. Most of the time, we don't have complete information. We might only have a reference photo, a quick sketch, a rough idea, or an early concept without any technical drawings. When we model everything manually, a lot of time goes into repetitive tasks, blocking basic volumes, adjusting proportions, fixing geometry, and rebuilding early-stage models again and again. This process is necessary, but it's also slow. AI tools like Meshy help us skip the slowest part of the workflow, understanding the initial 3D form. Instead of starting from nothing, we begin with a generated volume that we can analyze, refine, and develop further. Think of Meshy as a 3D thinking assistant. It doesn't make design decisions for you. It simply helps you reach those decisions faster and more efficiently. Let's start with architectural and furniture asset generation. Using Meshy 6, I created a range of practical assets, including chairs, tables, lighting fixtures, and facade or architectural elements. These are exactly the types of objects architects and interior designers use every day. Thanks to enhanced hard surface modeling, the results are noticeably better. Edges are sharper, surfaces are cleaner, and the geometry feels intentional, not soft, distorted, or melted. This level of clarity is extremely important in architectural work. After generating the models, I import them directly into Rhino. From there, I can scale them precisely, adjust proportions, place them into real architectural scenes, and use them for layout studies and rendering. I can also create sections and extract clean 2D drawings from the 3D models. This workflow alone can save hours of manual modeling on every project. In interior design, speed and iteration are everything. Instead of spending hours modeling every single furniture piece from scratch, I decided to test Meshy 6. I used it to generate base furniture models like chairs, tables, lamps, and decor items, and then quickly place them inside my interior scenes. Now here's an important point. Meshy isn't made to understand a full, detailed interior scene all at once. If you upload a render or a photo expecting a complete 3D room with perfect textures and materials, don't expect miracles. The results are limited, especially when it comes to textures. But here's where Meshy really shines, generating objects and furniture. So for interior designers, my advice is simple. Use Meshy as a fast furniture and object generator, not a full interior reconstruction tool. The results are amazing for individual assets, chairs, lamps, tables, accessories, and it's also really handy for minimal or low detail scenes. For full interior texturing, manual workflows are still better, and that's totally fine. And here's the exciting part. Meshy can also create animations with sound from an interior render. I'll show you exactly how later, so make sure you watch until the end of the video. Now let's talk about urban scale workflows. This is where AI really starts to shine. In urban design, we constantly need fast 3D volumes, not detailed buildings. Things like building massing, context blocks, placeholder structures, and the surrounding urban fabric are essential in the early stages. With Meshy, I can quickly generate residential blocks, mixed-use towers, public buildings, and even basic urban furniture or street elements. By using low-poly optimization, these models stay lightweight, responsive, and easy to handle, even in very large scenes. I then bring everything into Rhino, where I can arrange urban blocks, test different layouts, study density and proportions, and analyze shadows and sunlight. This allows me to explore multiple design scenarios without slowing down the workflow. This approach is especially useful for urban design students, competitions, master planning projects, and early-phase feasibility studies where speed and flexibility really matter. Another powerful workflow is image or sketch-based modeling, and this is one of the most practical features for architects and designers. You can upload reference photos, concept sketches, or hand-drawn elevations, and Meshy generates a 3D interpretation of that idea. This allows you to rotate the model, study its proportions, understand the overall form, and analyze it spatially before doing any heavy modeling. Once the model is inside Rhino, I can quickly create different elevations, adjust volumes, and rebuild the design much faster and more efficiently. This is not meant to be a final production model or a construction-ready file. Instead, it works perfectly as a form-finding and analysis tool. From my experience as an architectural designer and educator, this feature is extremely valuable. It helps me analyze buildings before modeling, explain ideas more clearly to students, and explore new design directions without wasting time. It turns flat ideas into spatial understanding. Let's talk about something every architect and designer knows is really important: showing your ideas to clients. Normally, even making a short presentation video can take hours or even days. You have to set up cameras, animate paths, adjust lighting, render hundreds of frames, and then wait. It's slow, tiring, and frustrating, especially when all you want is to clearly show your concept. That's where Meshy makes a big difference. With Meshy, you can take a simple sketch, a reference image, or even just one rendered still and turn it into a short, AI-assisted video that clearly shows your design. You can communicate the space, form, and overall design intention without spending hours on animation. You can even add audio just by writing a simple prompt. In just a few minutes, you can create a video that looks professional and engaging. For early design stages, this is a huge benefit. Clients don't need every construction detail. They need to feel the space. This workflow helps you explain your ideas faster, get feedback sooner, and move the project forward with confidence. Whether it's a client pitch, a competition, or a concept review, Meshy can change the way you present your designs. The only limitation is the video length. You can't make videos longer than 10 seconds. Let's be honest for a moment. Meshy is not a replacement for detailed architectural modeling, construction drawings, or precision fabrication. It's not meant to generate a fully finished, highly detailed scene. Textures often need cleanup, and the topology may require refinement before final use. But as a starting point, Meshy is extremely powerful. Think of it as an intelligent assistant for modeling and visualization. It helps you quickly understand form, analyze a 3D object or building, and move faster in the early design stages. Used correctly, it saves time, supports better design decisions, and fits perfectly into a professional architectural workflow. Meshy 6 is especially useful for concept designers, architecture students, interior designers, urban designers, and 3D artists. If your main goals are speed, exploration, and a better understanding of 3D form, this tool can easily fit into your workflow. It helps you move faster in the early design stages, test ideas more freely, and focus more on design thinking instead of repetitive modeling tasks. Designers who use AI will definitely move faster. If you're curious to try Meshy 6 yourself, I've added my affiliate link in the description below. Feel free to check it out and experiment with it in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments how you would use AI in architecture or 3D modeling.